I
आवाज नहीं
welcome
आ
you
रही।
all alumni. It's a mixed and wonderful feeling to see you all together connected.
Sir, you muted.
Some kind of technological glitches happening.
Continuous hours and sitting right in front of your laptops, your mobiles, whatever the media you have. And I can make it out that this is your sense of belongingness which is making you sit, which is a must for each one of us. The place where we spend our quality time. I mean, the place where we grow, the place where we breathe, the place where we drink water without having paid a single penny. Don't take it for granted. That all has got values, and therefore we must think about it and try to repay back to the nation. It's very important. I am thankful to the previous principals for bringing this school to this platform. I'm thankful to the management for having contributed a lot to the progress of this school. And I'm thankful to all the alumni across the world, those who are making us proud, because a few of them, while talking, initially when we started it, they introduced themselves. Somebody was from USA, somebody from Dubai, I mean, every corner of the world, the dip sites of Vindhyanagar are spread over. And therefore, I take a pride of having you all been a part of a very glorious DPS Vindhyanagar. Children, I have certain messages to you because that is what I have been telling to all my present staff. Kindly do listen it very carefully. It is basically meant for you. Uh, Many of you must have got married and many of you must be planning to. So those who have got, their chapter is closed. I mean, I have nothing to say to them. But the ones those who are planning to get married, do listen me very carefully. I wish you to search for an Indian girl or a boy to get married with. Never marry to a foreigner one. That is the first message I have for you. Second, kindly do not leave your parents once they reach to 60 years of their life. Either you bring your parent with you or you go to the parents, but they should not be left alone after 60 years of their age. I am approaching 55, so I am speaking from my experience. All right. Third one, kindly, if you are there with your parents, I mean living with your parents, give a foot massage to both the parents for 5 minutes each. All right. And in case if you are not with them, then make it sure, talk to them and find it out as to which particular time they will be available for talking comfortably. I mean, you have to seek their convenience and fix a time, and that very time, every day without a fail, you must make a call to your parents. It's not that once a while, whenever you feel like you're making a call at your convenience. No, because you may not be having an idea as to how much pain they have taken to make you whatever you are today. And now it is your time to pay it back to them. All right? So, as I said that you are supposed to pay back to your parents, and secondly, you are supposed to pay back to your nation, your country, the place you got birth, the place you had your pure oxygen without paying for it, water without paying for it. So you kind of have debt towards your environment, towards your country. So think about it as to what way you can repay back to the nation. All right? And the last information I have for you, I would like you to kindly look at the screen where I have a document from you that I received from CBSE office. The regional office Bhopal, the previous one, Om Prakash, the previous one. The regional office Bhopal, actually I am the city coordinator for Singrauli and I have 22 schools of CBSE under me. So we are sent all the important messages right from regional office Bhopal. So one such message I received that I thought to share with you, because basically it is meant for alumni only. So this speaks about it. Okay, what is the contribution of the alumni towards the school? Previously, I was taking it very casually, and I was a bit hesitant in asking my alumni to do something for the school they had the schooling from. But when I noticed it is coming officially from the CBSE office, then I thought there must be something big hidden that I am not being able to see. So I thought of talking to you regarding this very thing. The next slide. Kindly look this format. This format I was provided from CBSE office, and they asked me to give the details of the alumni, their name, their designation, their every detail, and what is their contribution towards the school. Officially, I've been asked, and not only I, all the CBSE principals have been asked. So, my dear alumni, I request you to kindly think over it. I am not asking you to do something urgently for the school, but in order to develop the sense of belongingness with your school, kindly have a small groups amongst. Think about it, what your school needs. You can get in touch with me. I can tell you what school is in need of, because today's age is a world of technology, right? So especially I am looking for the alumni to help the school as far as the technology is concerned. How can I take my school to the next level so that we can be one of the most advanced schools? Whereas my present lot of computer science teachers, they are doing a wonderful job. The best example is this, that right now the complete program is being hosted by my present computer science teachers. And that makes me very happy, but still there's a lot of scope for each one of us to move further a step ahead. So I request you all to kindly make small groups, decide as to what you need to contribute to the school, but before doing so, kindly get in touch with me. I'll be sharing my email ID, and I have the details of you all. Will get in connected. Already the Telegram we are all there. The WhatsApp we are there. So we will keep interacting each other, and something good. I need you all to think about your school you have a schooling from. Now I would like to thank all of you for giving your precious 3 hours, being connected with us, making this journey a wonderful one. And I am sorry for a few things that I would like to go on record speaking. There was some technical fault that our very sincere and devoted teacher's name was wrongly spelled here on the screen. That was Manorama Sharma and not Manorama Singh. It was written Manorama Singh, but actually she was Manorama Sharma. So kindly correct this name, for which I, being the head of the school, I feel I seek apology for that. And children, as I said, kindly spare some time to give foot massage to your parents. Do talk to them daily. In today's time, you need to take a good care of your parents. And as I said, don't marry to a foreigner. Whether this is a boy or a girl, go for an Indian girl or an Indian boy. There are few things that I'm very clear about it. You will feel it later. Right now I cannot explain you, but there are reasons. the time doesn't allow me, because by 3 o'clock we have to wind this program off at any cost. I am thankful to the chairman DPS Society for giving us this platform, which actually is helping all my DIPSites in big way. You must have felt it. The moment you say that you are from DPS family, you are looked at with a difference. Am I correct? Yes. So that big name that comes from DPS Society, which is being headed by the present Sri V.K. Shunglu, who happens to be CAG of India. And recently, last year, he's awarded with Padma Vibhushan, one of the most prestigious award. And our present chairman, the Professor B.P. Khandelwal, who happens to be the chairman of CBSE. For 4 or 5 years, he was the chairman. Before that, he was the director of UP board. And in fact, I happened to be a student of class 10th in UP board, and he was that time director. And my certificates are signed by Professor Khandelwal, who is my chairman today, and I'm working as a principal. So we carry a very different kind of relations. Likewise, in the days to come, we'll be carrying a different kind of relations with you all. So let us together be united and make this big world, in fact, a small one. By talking to each other, by standing by each other. With this, I bless you all, and I pray to the goddess Saraswati, the goddess of learning, to bless each one of you to have a right positive mindset and positive thinking, which is the crux of the education, which is the essence of all education. It's not degrees and diplomas that we keep collecting. It's the positivity in your mind that you keep multiplying in yourself. That is called true education in true sense. Now, I will not take you much time. Thanks for giving me so much of time. God bless you all. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vindhyachal, Jai DPS. Thank you so much.